Guys, hey, yeah, it's Saturday, and guess what? I'm on the road. Supposed to be my off day today, you guys, because Saturday and Sunday is my off day. But I decided to come to work because, you guys, I am planning to buy me a camera. So if I don't work, and then I'm not gonna get the camera. So every Saturday, Sundays, I'm gonna be coming here. Whatever money that I make on Saturday, you guys, and Sunday, it's gonna be on that camera. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is it good morning right now? What time is it? I don't even know what time is it. Yo, this shopping was for $18 to customer, and it's only going 3 miles. So we jumped on it, and right now it's 12 p.m. and I have no idea, you guys, what time I'm going home. I don't know. Let's just work. Let's just see how it's going to be today. But if it gets too slow, like 3 hours without an order, I'm gonna head home. It's my day off anyway. But I hope we're not gonna go home before we make at least some money. All right, let's go drop this order off, yeah. Our first drop off is only 6 minutes, you guys. Only 6 minutes. Let's go. 5 minutes to get to our second drop off. Hello. Good, how are you? That's good. Alright. Yo, I just received another order. $43, you got $43 shopping order, and I'm going to shop for 35 items. Very good order, y'all. And it's going 9 miles. So let's go in Walmart and start shopping this order. I'm done shopping, y'all. This is everything. Let's go at checkout. Yo, it feels like I was in that store for 5 good hours. That's how it feels. Like I have been shopping for 5 good hours. Anyway, let's go drop this order off. It's 12 minutes. 12-minute drive. I'm going to North. So there is a Walmart over there. I don't know if I'm staying there or coming back over here, because over here it seems like they have a lot of orders, shopping orders, because I'm seeing a lot of Spark drivers, you guys, in the store shopping. So it must be busy today. I'm seeing a lot of Spark drivers. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know if can come back to this Walmart or just stay north. Like, I'm going north, like, to the Walmart that is there. Anyway, we're gonna find out after we drop this off. All right, y'all, we are here. I'm here. So let's take all this down, y'all. Let's start with all the box first. It's 2:42 right now, and I just received another order, you guys. $24. That's shopping order, and I'm shopping for 2 people, and it's going 9 miles. Let's go. Yeah, I'm done shopping, and it's raining. It just started raining right now. Let's move. First drop off. Let's go to to see. She's on the door waiting. Next drop off, you guys. It's 14-minute drive, y'all. 14-minute drive. So let's go. Okay, y'all. It's still raining, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Let me get this out of here. I gotta scan it for one first. Let me scan it. Yo, as soon as I dropped the other one, you guys, I just received another order. It's a shopping order, you guys. $20. I'm going to shop for only 8 items. And it's going 6 miles, 6.9. So let's go and shop this order. It stopped running. It needs to stop so I can make this money for today. Seems busy. And I'm gonna make that money, y'all. I'm gonna make this money. Yeah, I just delivered. Oh, let me close the trunk. Almost forgot. So let's go back, you guys. I don't know the amount we own right now because I'm not adding. Usually as I go, I add my orders to, like, if they give me an order, boom, I go to my calculator and plug it in there and know exactly where I am. But right now I have no idea how much I have so far. I'm accounted at the end, toward the end when I'm done. It better be above 100. All right, yeah, let's go back. Yo, guess what? Guess what? $35, you guys. $35 for 2 customer drop off, and it's only going 5 miles. Right now it's 4:41, and the pickup time is 4:45. You guys, yes, the day so far so good. I'm so thankful. I am super thankful. So far so good. Yo, guess what? I'm over here waiting for my order, y'all, and bam, these things popped up on my phone, on my screen. My order just got canceled. Oh my God, Spark, come on. What did I do to deserve this, Spark? Please let me know. Let me know because I am confused. Anyway, I received another order. It better be the higher amount. Let me go check it out, y'all. Yeah, $31, you guys. Just got $31. It's a shopping order this time. It's a shopping, so I don't mind. Let's go shop, y'all. Let's go shop. It's going, I think, 1 mile. I didn't even check how many miles. I came rushing to tell you guys. And it's only 42 items, so it's okay. It's all right. Let's go shop this order, y'all. I'm out of store. I'm out of Walmart. Let's go deliver this goods. Alright, you guys, let's drive 10 minutes. Let's drive 10 minutes, you guys. Only 10 minutes. It looks like it's about to rain again. It had stopped. Let me tell you something. Today, you guys, it reminds me of Spark few months ago. It is super busy. Since I started, I'm only doing shopping orders. Like, I'm getting orders back to back. Oh, Spark, thank you so much. I wish it can continue being like this. I don't know what's going on today. Is it a holiday today? No. Tomorrow? Holiday? No. Did I tell you anyway? It's Saturday. Today is Saturday. So I have no idea. It's super busy. Please let me know down in the comment if Saturday for you was busy, because you're gonna see this video on Sunday. Yo, oh, I have an order. I'm shopping an order right now. Look at me. I forget to tell you guys. I am because of just I'm being busy. $23, you guys. I'm shopping for 2 people, and it's only 7 miles. Let's keep shopping. Yeah, I'm done shopping for everybody. That's A and this is B. So let's go at checkout. First drop off, y'all. It's only 7 minutes, so I have like 3 more to go. It was 7 minutes, so let's go. Yo, next drop off is 12 minutes. 12-minute driving, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. I'm here trying to back it in right here. That way it's gonna be easier for me. There we go. Okay, which one should I scan? Let me scan this one. Just who don't know, you guys, if we're shopping for 2 people at the same time, once you get to the person's house, you have to scan 1 item. So that way they know which one you're delivering first, or you don't mix up the 2 orders, you know. So that's why we have to scan. All right, let's go. I need like 1 more order. Right now I think it's 6 something, almost 7. So 1 more order, and that's gonna be it. Guess who just received another offer, you guys? $18. $18 for 2 miles, and I'm only shopping 3 items, you guys. Only 3 items. Okay, I want 2 of these. And they also want 2 of these. 2. Oh, let me take 1 first. Okay, I got it. 2. This person also needs 2 of these. Ooh, this was very easy shop, yeah. Very easy shop. Let's get another one. Which one? No, I'm not gonna take that. Let me get this one. The same, right? Yep. So let's get this one. All right, let's go check out, y'all. I'm done. Very, very easy. Let's go. All right. Yeah, we are done. Okay, yeah, let's deliver these things. I think this person just moved to a new house. What do you think? Because we have no spoons, we have no glass. We have a new glass, we have a new plate. Yep, she moved to a new place. She just moved to a new place. You guys, I am back home. Y'all won't believe how much I made it, you guys. Y'all won't believe. So before I start Spark, you guys, I did 2 Lyft and 1 Uber Eats. So for all my platforms, you guys, we made it 201. 201, y'all. Oh my goodness. But I did not record Uber Eats or Lyft. But all total, you guys, I made 201. That's how busy it was today. I'm super thankful. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. If you enjoy this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe, share, like. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.